Good night. Today today, I am with my partner Ruben Ortiz and the expert in water pollution, Otoniel Lopez, who comes of the Daytona Medellin University because we're going to treat an important theme tonight today, the water pollution. Different parts of our country suffer water shortage and are increasing. Our bodies of water are facing a bigger problem than themselves pollution.
Water pollution is an alarming issue and is imperative to start addressing the problem. The first thing I know is it. So here we bring you the main sources of pollution in this vital element.
Yes, hello everyone, like Ruben says, I am expert in area in state to study this because I ground up in the poor community where they were was very hard to get and where was really dirty. I have vision. Make unhealthy work in fact in work in a poor community close of Tizimin, two where heat weight is a big problem. 14 one of the principal problem is the big pollution of where because they house the water of the principal cenote, food and so big so the big use use of pesticides and fertilizers are destroying this natural resource of water which exists since time prehistory.
Yes, we can say half of us are according to because the pollution is big problem in health aspects to the world good everything at this time now. Tonight we who's going to talk about the pollution in the water.
Yes, in fact, yesterday a group of gangsters assaulted a church of water which was delivering to a frontier of town of Campeche. That is the server of the demand of the water in the towns of the peninsula.
In other towns, this is not a problem, but with reason of this is because in cities like Madrid, the information and the developing is bigger.
This special report is for make answers the people in the people. We want to put our grains of sand and make it to know. This because everyone knows the world have problems with the water, but they don't know that problema is right at corner because if these kind of problems are in your same state, you can imagine it in the rest of the world. To end with this report, I would like to talk about how the technology can help the conservation of the water because currently there are numerous technical proposals to expand access to drink water, but they are often expensive or too complex for easy use on the ground. We review here some of the most recent and promising innovations. The water from the air of the desert. In large regions of the planet, the problem is not the contamination water, but its absolute absence. According to the United Nations, more than 2.1 million people live in arid regions, which account for 41.3% of all the planet's land, and it is foreseeable that this figure will increase with the desertification caused by the climate change. To elevate the water scarcity is this in these areas, there are systems such as a fog condensers, but they require a large catchment areas, energy resource, or complex installations.
The sounds really innovate, but the time is over, and we will talk about his time in the next episode.
So see you guys soon.
Goodbye.